So we have Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts, and we're going to work on a very basic and effective combination of the front kick, jab, or some karate styles, the front kick, lunge punch. This actually adds power, but it's also annoying. When we have the front kicks, see, and we're going here, basically, I'm following it up. Okay? Now, how does this add power? It's the lunging motion. I'm going to break it down real slow. We're here. As it's dropping, the whole body moves. I'm lunging in. Here. I'm actually turning. That knee is actually coming to the end of my toe, and I'm dropping. It's very powerful. And this, you'll see a lot of people start to drop their hand. Here. That's what I'm waiting for. And really basic, I can go to the knee. Here. Good front kick technique. As it's dropping, in. Now I want to show you what you do after this. There's a huge chance that I'm going to miss this. We're here. Move laterally after. When I'm here, always want to move laterally. Never straight in, never straight back. So this is just an annoying combination for your opponent. I don't have to make it big. I can just set it up from here. Okay? And we're here, lunge it in. So everything together and good defense as well. We're here. We have to catch that momentum. We're here. See? And if I miss it, right back. Everything, I don't ever want to stay extended. He's going to counter me. Watch if I stay extended. Exactly. Everything safe. Always good footwork. Always moving around. Good.
One thing I want to add, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you're perfect.
When you're doing this kick, notice he is not kicking and falling into it.
Yes.
He's actually bending at the knee, stepping down as he's coming in. That makes a big difference in your stance.
Absolutely.
In your technique.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly right, Troy, because here is that sense of falling without good posture. Look where I'm looking, like arched back, rounded back, good posture, okay? And there's just that fake too, everybody. See? Yeah. To get your opponent used to different things coming, you're trying to bait your opponent.
Yeah.
Remember, this is just two techniques, but you can use them in so many different ways to throw your opponent off.
Yeah.
See? So yeah, so that's your basic front kick, jab, or lunge punch combination.